117 miles on an FLHXS Street Glide Special from 2021. 2020. We have here a aftermarket hydraulic clutch. It's extremely easy to pull. Batwing fairing with 2 speakers on the inside, infotainment system. Talking through those speakers, either entertaining you or directing you with the GPS. Internally, we have the engine guard here. It is a wider engine guard with the highway pegs right on here. Floorboards, heel shifter, Brembo brakes with the ABS line, dual up front, one single in the rear. You have the passing lights, LEDs, real bright. We have the 6-gallon tank, 114 cubic inch Milwaukee-Eight engine, hard saddlebags, saddlebag guard, and the hardware to put a tour rack or tour pack or sissy bar on the back as well. Absolutely beautiful color as well. This custom seat has the same stitching as the color of the vehicle. Heat shield. That engine does get hot. And that's about it. That's about it. Thank you so much for viewing. Come on by for a test ride today. It's the only way you're going to understand what's going on here in Harley-Davidson on a Street Glide Special 2020 in Midnight Crimson. Thank you for watching. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below on what you would do if you own this 2020 Street Glide Special.